Did you know this Chechen warlord Ramzan Kadyrov recently claimed that Elon Musk disabled his Tesla Cybertruck remotely after Kadyrov showcased it with a mounted machine gun? What? Kadyrov, a close ally of Vladimir Putin, posted on social media that Musk's action was not manly, saying the Cybertruck had been performing well in the Ukrainian conflict until Musk supposedly shut it down, forcing it to be towed from the battlefield. Kadyrov asserted that the vehicle was a personal gift from Musk, though Musk has denied this claim. Additionally, experts pointed out that due to sanctions, Kadyrov likely acquired the Cybertruck through unofficial channels, as direct exports to Chechnya from the US are restricted.